Hey there, welcome back to our JavaScript series. Today we are diving into one of the most useful array methods in JavaScript, which is the filter method. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how the filter method works, but will also be confident to apply it in your own projects. So first, what does the filter method do? The filter method is used to filter out elements from the array, and it does that by creating a new array with the filtered elements. Let's understand with an example. Let's say we have an array arr which has the following numbers, and we want to filter out only the even numbers. So in this case, we can use the filter method by saying arr.filter, and this filter method will then take in a callback function as an argument, and this callback function will receive the element and the index number as parameters. Now once you have the element, this means that each and every element of the array will be passed in it. And inside this function, since we want only the even numbers in the filtered array, so we can say return element modulus 2 equal to 0. That is, only those elements who are divisible by 2 should be in the new filtered array. Let's practically see this. I'll open the JS fiddle, and over here let me declare an array by saying let arr is equal to an array and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 7. Alright. Now I'll take another variable which will store the newly created array. I'll say let even numbers is equal to arr.filter. Now I'll use the arrow function. So arrow function, and it will have the element as well as the index number. Alright. Now just as we discussed, we will return the elements which we want in the new array. So I'll write return element modulus 2 double equal to 0. Now let's finally display the even numbers only. Now if I run this program, then as you can see, the newly created array has only the even numbers, that is 2, 4 and 6. Just for the sake of checking, let's also try to display all the odd numbers. So instead of double equal to, I'll say not equal to. Let's run this. And as you can see, now all the odd numbers are displayed. So this is how the filter method works. Now the filter method is extremely useful in real world scenarios. You will be using a lot of it while developing applications. The reason why it is used so widely is because it follows the concept of immutability. That is, it does not change your original array. Instead, it creates a new array. And following immutability is really important while working on bigger projects. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned to the technical content coming ahead.